Welcome students to your EVS class. Yes, we were revising. Our revisions are going on and we have completed 8 lessons with the revisions. Now we were doing, since yesterday we have started lesson number 9 and today we are going to complete the revision of lesson number 9 also. So what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to take out your semester book. We were doing lesson number 9. So open the page number of lesson number 9 and be ready with ma'am to read, understand and answer quickly. So let's get going students. Okay. So we have completed yesterday how many questions? I hope you all have revised the lesson. आप सबने किया है ना याद? Lesson याद किया ना? So how many questions did we did yesterday? We did 5 questions. Now today also we are going to do next 5 questions and we are going to complete the revision. Not only you have to study these only, you have to make like if you have learned the lessons, it will be easy for you to answer. So let's begin with question number 6. Yes, question number 6 we are going to see. WEVSHOULD should, BRUSH brush, OURR TEETH dash TIMES times in a DAY day. We should brush our teeth dash times in a day. हमें कितने बार ब्रश करना चाहिए? This we have studied, right? So it's very easy. And मुझे तो लगता है कि अभी तक बहुत सारे बच्चों ने आंसर्स दे भी दिए होंगे ऑप्शंस से पहले, है ना? क्योंकि ये हम छोटे से ही पढ़ते आ रहे हैं बचपन से. So let's have the options still. Options तो देखने पड़ेंगे ना? So let's have the options. ONE1, THREE3, TWO2, FIVE5. So what is the correct option? How many times we should brush our teeth in a day? 2 times, right? After, in the morning, that is before our meals in the morning, and at night before going to bed. That is after our meals, all the meals. सारे स्वीट्स सब खाने के बाद. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने ब्रश कर लिया और फिर आपने स्वीट्स भी खा लिया और फिर सो गए. नो, आपने सब खाना खाने के बाद अगर आपको स्वीट्स भी लेना है रात में, स्वीट्स सब लेके जब आप सोने से पहले जब आप ब्रश करोगे, then only your teeth will be strong and healthy. So it is 2 times. Understood students? Why it is said 2 times? क्यों बोलते हैं हम ब्रश 2 times करने के लिए? बिकॉज हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें खाते हैं ना, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड खाते हैं, तो वो जो होता है हमारे टीथ में स्टिक हो जाता है. एंड अगर हम रात को ब्रश करके नहीं सोएंगे खाना खाने के बाद, सारे खाने के बाद, तो क्या हो जाता है, वो फूड हमारे दांतों में रह के उसमें जर्म्स आने लगते हैं, कैविटीज आने लगते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी से ब्रश आवर टीथ twice a day, that is before your meals in the morning and before going to bed at night. Understood students? Question number 7. WEVSHOULD should, THROW throw, WASTE waste, INTO THE the dash. So this is again a fill in the blanks. We should throw waste into the dash. Where should we throw the waste? That we have to find out the correct answer. So what are the options? Let's see. POLYBAG. Polybag. Polybag means it's your polythene. Polybag. Next, DUSTBIN, dustbin, is that you should throw the waste in the dustbin. W-A-T-E-R, water. And the last option is G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. So where should we throw the waste? That is the question here. Polybag you understood, that is the polythene. Polythene में डालना चाहिए. Dustbin, water or garden. So where should we throw the waste? Yes, we should throw the waste in the dustbin. That we all do. है ना, हम सब ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, ना कि कोई पानी में, गार्डन में या पॉली बैग में डाल के तो नहीं रखते हैं. We use dustbin to throw the waste. Okay, wherever we go, not only at home. घर पे ही नहीं, लेकिन बाहर भी dustbins provided है आजकल, right? So when you eat chocolates, when you eat some popcorn, something, whatever you eat from outside, there is dustbin from where you, जहाँ से भी आप खरीदते हो स्टोर के वहाँ पे डस्टबिन जरूर होता है. So make it sure कि आप डस्टबिन में डाल रहे हो. That is why dustbin is provided to throw the waste. बाहर जाके पहले क्या था कि डस्टबिन नहीं होता, लोग कचरा पूरा रोड पे, गार्डन में, पार्क में, जहाँ पर भी जाते थे वहाँ डालते थे. So we have to make our India, we have to make our surroundings clean, we have to make our nation clean, है ना, हमारी पूरी इंडिया को क्लीन रखना है हमें. So वो कौन करेगा? हम ही करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं हम दूसरों से करवाएंगे. हम जब करेंगे तब हम दूसरों को रोक पाएंगे कि नहीं आप गलत कर रहे हो. अगर हम भी वैसे कर रहे हो और दूसरे को बोल रहे हैं कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, देन इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. तो हमसे स्वच्छता अभियान स्टार्ट होता है. Understood students? So that's why we use dustbin to throw the waste. So let's move to the next question now. Question number 8. So what is question number 8? WEBSHOULD should, HAVE have, MORE more, OF off, JUNK junk, FOOD food. So we should have more of junk food. So more of junk food means हमें बहुत सारा जंक फूड खाना चाहिए, हमें अपने खाने में बहुत सारा जंक फूड लेना चाहिए. So let's have the option. True. Next, false, both, या all of these. All of these मतलब क्या होता है? सारे, जो भी ऑप्शंस दिए वो सारे सही है. That is all of these. जैसे none of these, इनमें से कुछ भी आंसर नहीं है, तो all of these ये सब आंसर है. That is the difference between all of these and none of these. So true, false, both, all of these. इसमें आप क्या टिक करोगे? ट्रू तो नहीं करोगे. अगर ट्रू करते हो so that will be wrong, क्योंकि junk food always, it's not always good. Okay, sometimes you can take, कभी कभार चलता है, once in a month, है ना, तो वैसे सब चलता है. लेकिन मोर हम जंक फूड खाएंगे तो ऑब्वियसली वी विल फॉल सिक और हमें हमेशा डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ेगा और इंजेक्शंस लगते रहेंगे. सो द आंसर टू दिस इज false. So answer to this is false. We should not have junk food. We should have more of healthy food. Okay, not more of junk food but more of healthy food. Healthy food more लेना चाहिए, junk food less होना चाहिए. That is the answer to this is false. That will lead to you healthy life. Okay. So question number 9 is WEBSHOULD should dash and dash every EVERY, every DAY, day, every day. We should have dash and dash every day. So let's see the options. Eat, sleep, हर रोज खाना चाहिए और हर रोज सोना चाहिए, दैट इज ऑल्सो देयर। लेकिन हम अभी गुड हैबिट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, ओके। खाते और सोते तो हम सब हैं, बट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर गुड हैबिट्स। सो लेट्स सी, फाइट, क्राई, फाइट करना चाहिए, क्राई करना चाहिए, डांस, सिंग, डांस और सिंग करना चाहिए, या प्ले, एक्सरसाइज। So what should we do every day? That is a good habit every day. जो eat and sleep वो तो हम करते ही हैं, है ना, वो बिना बोले भी हम करते हैं। So that is not that. Fight and cry, हमें fight करना चाहिए और रोना चाहिए हर रोज। No. Dance and sing वो हमारी hobbies है, जब हम free होते हैं हम जरूर dance and sing करते हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं कि वो every day करना है। So that is not also not the answer. So play and exercise, yes, play and exercise जो है वो हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है। So the correct answer to this is every day we should play and exercise. Nowadays you cannot go outside and play, but you can play indoor games. So play and exercise वो तो हम घर पे भी कर सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं कि हमें पार्क जाना है, बाहर जाना है, स्कूल जाना है। We can do exercise at home. So play and exercise every day. Okay students. So let's see the last question for the day. Okay, so that is question number 10. IS is EATING, eating, HEALTHY, healthy, FOOD, food, ALSO, also, GOOD, good, HABIT, habit. Is eating healthy food also a good habit? So let's have the option here. Yes, B, no, C, both A and B, and D, all of these. So what will be the correct answer to this? Eating healthy food is a good habit, is also a good habit? Yes. So the answer is yes. Eating healthy food will make our life healthy. है ना? Eating healthy food will make our life healthy. So the correct answer to this is yes. So you understood how the questions will be coming from this lesson, and it was very easy, ना? Good habits को हम follow करते हैं, so हमें answering करने में भी बहुत easy है, and it's very quick to understand the questions also. So students, like this, revise the lessons. Revise all the lessons we have completed from lesson number 5 to lesson number 9. That is going to come into your exam, and I hope you are reading well, understanding well, and that is all for today. So see you tomorrow. Okay students, take care. Bye.